it is Crystal with Pineapple Papers, and for the month of March, I'm doing something a little different. So instead of an unboxing, I'm going to show you what I have received from the ScrapRoom for the flavors of the month, the embellishment kit, and the pattern paper kit. And then we will transition right into the layout that I am doing. So this particular collection is Echo Park's Animal Party. And initially I was like, I'm not really sure this is my jam. But our dog turned 10 this year. And so I'm super excited to actually document her birthday. And with all these puppies, it's so cute. So let's start with the papers. So we get 3 pattern paper and 2 cardstocks for the flavors of the month. And all of these will be the same. So this one is called Birthday Garlands. So of course we have the happy birthday garlands on this side. And on this side we have a tone-on-tone star paper, which is awesome. Doesn't have to be birthday. And then this one is called Party Balloons. So on this side it's got a tone-on-tone pink, and it's got like dots and lines and triangles. And then of course it has balloons, hence the name. And this one is called Cupcakes and Confetti. So it's got a tone-on-tone green stripe. And then, of course, we have cupcakes and confetti on the other side. Now, our 2 pieces of cardstock are white cardstock. Such great, oh, wait, like this is amazing cardstock. Love that. So there's that. And then for the embellishments, everybody is going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So that is this. So that is the flavors of the month. And then for the pattern paper add-on, we have party hats. So the B side has kind of some swirly streamers, maybe kind of tone-on-tone orangey color. And then party hats on the other side. And then this one is called multi-journaling cards. So obviously we have journaling cards on one side, but this is the most pretty purple. It's so soft. You've got purple with white stars. And then here are cut aparts. So they call it journaling cards. So you have so many different sizes, plus a couple of tags, a couple of banners, and an entire border strip. So that's awesome. And then for the embellishment kit, you're going to get a partial die cut pack. And let's look and see what I got. Oh, I don't want to lose my little present circle here. So I've got a little present circle. I've got a die cut piece that says a little party hurts, never hurt nobody. A little dog with a cupcake, some balloons. These 2 are tags. This one says it's your birthday. This is a dog with a birthday hat. This is a birthday animal, which is kind of cute because it's a puppy. This one says a big birthday smiles. I've got another tag that says happy birthday to you. This one just says birthday. I get a lot of die cuts. This one is a frame. So I have an orange frame, and the inside says party time for the birthday star. So paw, P-A-W, instead of party. And then that one is a label. This is another tag with a cupcake on it, or a piece of cake. This one says tail wagging wishes. And this is a twofer as well. So this has got like a polka dot confetti frame. Hope I can keep all of this in frame because there's so much. And then this one says positively the best day ever. So that is the 3 kits for the Animal Party Echo Park collection. So I am going to turn this off and we are going to jump right into the layout. So one of the coolest things about this month's cut file is you actually get 2 cut files. You get the Polaroids with the banner and the bow, and you also get a title that is Celebrate. So I decided I was just going to use the Polaroids, and I backed the bow with the pink paper, and then I backed the Polaroids with the yellow, and then the other side of the pink paper is those balloons, and that's what I decided to do the banner with. And I made this big enough that I knew a 4x4 photo would fit behind it. So the opening is a little bit smaller than a 4x4. So I have 2 pictures of our dog. So she turned 10 in February. And I don't do a lot of dog documentation. So I figured, well, she is 10. I mean, so I thought this collection was perfect since it's a birthday collection and it's about dogs, and I think it'll make really cute birthday cards as well. So I do have plans to get some cards made because I don't think I have too many birthday cards left. So it'll be good to make some cards. So I'm putting everything on that green background, and I decided to add the border strip that is the candles down in the bottom, and then I took the branding strip from the pink paper and added that little piece underneath as well. And then this super cute sticker with the dog going to the doghouse, I had to put that on there. And then, so I'm just creating a little cluster down there in the bottom corner. I'm also going to create clusters on either side of the Polaroids. So from the ephemera pack, I like this a tag that says happy birthday. I contemplate this one, but I feel like it's just a little too big. So I keep it there for a little bit and see if there's anything else that I can kind of tone it down with, but I couldn't find anything. So I think at this point, yeah, I put it back, trying to see if there's anything to add to it. I am going to get a couple of other dogs on this layout because it's appropriate. Oh, this little sticker says, it's your birthday, which these pictures weren't actually on her birthday, but my daughter did take her to Starbucks and get her a pup cup. And I was like, hey, did you take any pictures? She's like, no. I'm like, I still have not trained you well. They should know. Give me the pictures. And these kids take pictures all the time, so it's kind of funny. So I'm adding a few little kind of sprinkly bits from the sticker sheet. There's like ribbons and kind of star asterisk-y pieces. And I want to put those in the clusters. Here's where I'm going to swap out this dog. I really like this one with a party hat. I do like the other one with the stack. So I'm going to put him up there by the bow. And I'm going to get this guy over here. So I'm actually going to have 4 dogs on this layout, and I think they're super cute. And then I put these little extras up here, but I feel like they're actually too much. And I don't know if it's because my eye was like, oh, it really makes it 4 clusters. I'm not exactly sure what my issue was, or if it was too many little bits, because I am going to put some little bits down at the bottom as well. But I am going to take the ones from the top off. So I'm going to do that right here. I'm going to take that heart and I'm actually going to put it inside the bow, but I am going to add something up there. I'm going to go with these balloons to kind of bring in the balloons that were in the banner as well. So I've got those up there at the top, and then I'm going to go off screen and I'm going to grab my black Heidi Swap Color Shine, and I'm going to cover up my photos, and I'm just going to do a couple of black splatters to bring in the fact that we have a black dog and there's not much black on this layout other than her. So I just added those sprinkles. I will let that sit on my desk overnight, and I love how this looks. So in the description box below, I will have links to the ScrapRoom so you can get your hands on these kits, and I can't wait to see what you do with the cut file. It's a great cut file. It can be used in so many different ways. So there's a final look at my layout. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and remember to wear your crown. And we'll see you next time. Bye.